Amazon suspended your account, then in today's video, I am going to tell you how to get back your Amazon suspended account step by step. In fact, I use these exact 5 steps to get my students' account reinstated. I am Sania, the Amazon FBA coach, and this is the place where new Amazon sellers turn for higher rankings and make more sales for their Amazon product. And if you want to start selling on Amazon without getting your blood pressure through the roof, then you will love the steps in this video. Keep watching. I hate Amazon! Every day I receive these kind of comments and messages on my Instagram. The reason is that sellers are getting suspended without even knowing what they did. Sometimes their accounts are closed without any warning or explanation. So, the aim for this video is to get your account back as soon as possible. But guys, before I start telling you how to get your suspended Amazon seller account back, you need to understand that Amazon is very strict when someone tries to violate their rules and regulations. Therefore, please don't ever do that. In case you don't know how to prepare documents for your new Amazon account, then do watch my video here where I explain in detail about the documents that are required by Amazon. So do watch it after this video. I will give the link in the description below this video. So the first step is to identify your enemy. Yes, identifying the exact reason for the Amazon account suspension is very important. If you don't know the reason behind the suspension, then no matter how strong your appeal is, it won't be having any effect on Amazon and you will waste your time and energy. In order to do that, you need to read the email the Amazon seller support sends you after suspending your Amazon seller account. Read between the lines and break it down in sections. This way you will get an idea about the exact problem. Now step number 2 is to brainstorm. This way you will know exactly what to say in your appeal letter and it will be to the point and highly effective. Take a piece of paper or you can do it on Microsoft Documents and prepare an ideal plan of action, identifying the reasons behind the Amazon suspension. You can include solutions to the problems and assure them as to why this won't happen again. Take complete responsibility for the problem and acknowledge the harm done to Amazon Marketplace. The most important thing here is, guys, to identify that if given the opportunity again, you will continue to provide the excellent service and follow all Amazon terms and conditions. Step number 3 is to prepare for attack. In this step, we will start writing a proper email to Amazon. You need to use the proper format in order to sound professional and don't just be fake here. This step is so important as many times sellers just use a very unprofessional and childish approach when they write emails to Amazon. So writing a professional format email is important. Start with an introductory paragraph. That will be the first paragraph. Tell who you are, including your seller name and a brief description of your business and why your account was suspended. Then tell about the description of issue. That will be the paragraph number 2. Clearly describe the issues or that lead to the account suspension. Explain the research process you use to identifying the issue and a detailed explanation of why the issue occurred. Be sure to include data and specifics regarding what you found. Take full responsibility and acknowledgement where the issues lie. This will be the second paragraph. In third paragraph, you need to write about the action steps. Here you can describe the steps you have already taken to correct the issue since you have been suspended. Clearly describe the changes you and your team have made to correct the problem, as well as change to tools, processes, or any procedures to prevent the issues from reoccurring. The fourth and the last paragraph, we need to keep it for our closing statement. Include a summary of the action steps taken to resolve the issue, as well as clear requests to have your selling privileges reinstated and give you back. Now let's move to step number 4, and that is attack. Now we will send our appeal to Amazon once and for all. The email you wrote in step 3, you need to send it to Amazon for their review. To submit your appeal, you'll need to take the following steps that I'm going to tell you. From the performance drop down in the Seller Center, select performance notification. Find the suspension notice that you received. Click the appeal button and then the appeal decision button. In the form provided, enter the details of your plan of action, like the email we write. Include a telephone number where you can be reached, where there are like many questions if they have. Click on submit appeal and your appeal will be sent to Amazon Seller Performance for review. Now the step number 5 is to receive a response from Amazon. You will receive a response to your appeal from Amazon via email, typically within like 48 hours after you submit your appeal. Once you get that, your dialog will open with Amazon, and then most likely they will ask you like more questions and they will open for more conversation. But in case they don't reply, don't keep sending messages to Amazon. This is the last thing you want to do, guys. This will weaken your case, and it will keep getting like pending and pending. So before sending a reminder to Amazon, you need to wait for at least 7 to 10 days. So be patient. Guys, did you learn something new from today's video? If yes, then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, if you want exclusive Amazon FBA techniques that I only share with my subscribers, then head over to saniabillofficial.com and download the ebook. It's 100% free. Now I want to turn over to you. Which step from today's video is new to you? Is it step number 4? Or do you think that step number 2 is an eye-opening for you? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now. Guys, before you go, hit the notification bell so that you are the first one to see my video. So see you right now in my next video.